If you're hosting a party for the opening ceremonies, get everyone involved and test their knowledge with this DIY Name That Flag game. It's easy, and you'll be surprised how much you learn. Let's get started. You'll need a string of decoration flags from all the different countries, a large piece of foam core board, and an extra piece for cutting, cardstock, 12 wall hooks, sticky back Velcro, and a hole punch. First, cut the flags into individual pieces and mount them to cardstock. Then, punch a hole in the center. Cut the small piece of foam core board into smaller strips and add a piece of Velcro to the back. Print the names of all the countries and stick them on the front of the foam core pieces. Next, on the large foam core board, measure how many flags fit across and down. Here, I'm doing 3 rows of 4. Stick a wall hanger where the top of the flag will go and the Velcro above it. To play, each person takes a turn hanging the proper flag under its country. Whoever gets the most correct wins gold. And there you have it, the Name the Flag game. It's a great learning tool for everyone and an excellent way to test your international knowledge. Let the games begin.